Today I collected a fuel tank from a very early 124. It has to be one of the first off the production line because it was from 1986. I kind of didn't have much hope for it being any good, but when this cap is removed, that opinion quickly changed. The filler neck looks pretty damn good, and the cap is basically looking like new underneath. So this tank is 4 years older than the one that's in my red project, but so far it's looking pretty damn good. It shows the benefit of a daily driven car. Red had been sitting around for many years and filled up with dirty fuel out in the bush. So I grabbed my $12 USB bore scope, purchased off eBay, and fed it down the filler neck. Already, I'm happy with what I'm seeing. When I looked inside the red fuel tank, I was already seeing rust at this point in time in the filler neck. I'm glad to say that is the bottom of the tank, and it is all silver. There is very little varnish from fuel left behind, and there's certainly no rust. So I have to say that this was a very good deal. Out of interest, these fuel tanks have been revised 4 times. This is the very first version. I have no idea what the differences are, but I didn't see any notes pertaining to what has to be done to fit the other versions. I think they all just fit in each other anyway. As you can see, that looks basically brand new. So, yeah, I'm happy with this tank. I will get a new screen filter and install it straight in. This is a close-up of that filler neck. No complaints about that whatsoever. And there's the cap, looking brand new. It's always a good sign, because that's where the condensation settles and ends up rusting the cap.